What's going on, family? I hope you guys are having an absolutely wonderful day. And I hope you guys are enjoying the holidays as much as you can. Yeah, man. You finally got the package in, man, that I've been waiting on for over a month. And I believe this is actually it. So I think we're going to focus on today. It's opening this package up, showing you guys what's inside, and putting them in place. All right, guys. Hey, for all the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. If you stop by, you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing, man. We're making some great content over here. Get some things done. We popping, we moving. You know how that is. For those who are new to the channel, hey, man, this is my one-of-a-kind. Get the keys off the floor. Jeep Liberty. Yeah, man. All this work I've done on this Jeep. And listen, man, if y'all haven't seen the videos, go check them out, man. It's pretty cool. This right here, it's a car cover. It's my 2016 C7 Corvette Z06. We got it stored for the winter, so we won't be seeing very much of this one. Yeah. Until next season. Yeah. Well, we probably have some mods coming for them. We do. We have some mods coming for this one. So over the winter, we'll probably pull a cover off and get a couple of things done. But for now, we're going to be focusing on Liberty, man. And what are we focusing on Liberty? With this package that came in. So let's see, man. Give you an idea, man, why I was waiting so long. Trying to figure out what's going on with this thing. This thing came in from, you see this? From China. I'm gonna give him a call, man. That's the number right there. But it took forever. Let's see if we got better shipping label right there. It took forever for this package to come in, man. So we're gonna go ahead on and get it open, so y'all can see what we working with here, man. Let me set this camera up someplace so y'all can have a better viewpoint as opposed to me trying to do this with one hand. It just makes life a whole lot easier. All right, let's get this open so y'all can see what's happening. Yes, sir. And they got a little pocket right there, right there. And this right here. Santa Claus, go straight to the ghetto. Santa Claus, go straight to the ghetto. All right. Let's take a look at them closely. So what we got here, guys? We got us some mats, man. This is the, it's hard to tell, man. They're all blacked out. I went with all black, unlike what we had in the, oh, by the way, sorry, guys. This is for the Jeep. These mats are for the Jeep, right? I'm going to put them in just a second. I think first I'm going to have to vacuum the Jeep out just to make sure that we don't have anything. Primarily in the front, not in the back. The back should be fine. This is for the Jeep. We're gonna figure out what side these go on. And I think it's weird because it's like this reverse of it. Oh no, this is the driver's side. So this is I got a pocket right here. That's pretty cool. This is the passenger side. Let's take a look, man. It raised up right there. I think that's right. Looks odd. Oh, I had it reversed. Yeah. So this goes in like this. The little strip that falls down there. All right, look. So we gonna move the Jeep over a little bit so we can get the vacuum. We can vacuum out the Jeep. We're gonna put these mats in. Let me put you guys over here so y'all can see what we about to do here. And we just gonna move the Jeep over. If I had, oh, here you go. Move the Jeep over, man. See, I think the back is fairly clean. Got a couple little pieces down here in the back. Look like rivets. So nothing back here. Got a sticker from, what you call it? And one little rivet over there, so we'll get that. The driver's side is always filthy. Picks up all these rocks and stuff, so we're gonna make sure we vacuum all this out real quick. I don't have to worry about that little rivet. And then, passenger side should be pretty nice. I don't have a lot of customers. A lot of passengers, man, in this car, so. All right, yeah, man. So we're gonna go ahead on and get this thing vacuumed out real quick. And we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we got them in. I'm gonna show you guys the back first. So check it out, man. And I got the seat pushed up so you can see how it pockets this area where the seat is up. So right now, there's some areas that buckle a little bit because the mat is still cold. So once it warms up, it starts conforming a little bit better. I'll show y'all the other side real quick. And so I can see what it looks like with the seat back all the way. Got the little strip that go across there. It look good, man. It look real nice. This is the passenger side. Got a little clip here that goes under the panel. And some of the key things is they use these little clips that flip up and go under the panel and lock. And in some places, you can put Velcro to lock it in place. Right now, it's sitting okay. So I'm not gonna mess with that yet. I think over time, once we go through trial and error with these mats, we'll see how they hold up. And if we need to come back with some Velcro. And then on the passenger side, it looks puffy right here. It moves a little bit, and I'm probably going to do Velcro on this side, but we're going to give it a chance to do what it needs to do and let the heat get to it and hold it down. They got strips that go all the way back here, man. It's pretty cool. All right. So that's one more thing that we got for the Jeep. And let's talk about some other things that we want to do. We're probably going to either find some really nice seat covers or actually reupholster the seats ourselves. And I think that'll be good one. And then, you know, a real good cleaning. Again, the Jeep is not filthy. It's just, you know, dusty for the most part. So a good cleaning on the inside, plus those rear upholstered seats. And I think we'll be real good on the inside of the Jeep, man. We'll be in a good way with the inside of the Jeep, real talk. And then those are the two big things that I want to do, the mats and the seat covers or reupholster. And then I think the Jeep will be in a good place, and then we can start playing with some other things that I'll probably focus on improving about where we are with the Jeep. Just making the Jeep better than what it is now. That's the goal. And it's fine right now. We just need to find a way to make it better. And as we go through the process, I'll explain to you why the things or the next moves that we do makes it better, in my opinion. And I, you know, once we get to that point, of course, I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. So, yeah, man, those aren't average mats, and I love those mats. Thinking about probably getting some of those for the vet. I don't know. I think I like the soft mats because I'm gonna be in that thing now barefoot most of the time, and I didn't mind it being barefoot in the 300 with the leather mats, but I didn't drive with shoes on in the 300. I'm probably gonna get to a point. Now I'm not gonna be able to do that too much with this one, because this one gonna be in snow and stuff. So I'm not gonna be able to do that, man. We're gonna make sure we try to clean our feet off real well. Cool part about these mats, they all weather too. So any snow and all that moisture, it catches it and traps it and don't go into the carpet. That's another win. So the carpet didn't look horrible. It's not the best. I mean, come on, this Jeep is almost, whoa, what happened? This Jeep is almost, God, hold this Jeep. It's going on 10 years old, so there's going to be some wear. You got to expect some kind of wear and tear on something that's being used like it's used and how it's being used. So all that wasn't mine at first. It was my daughter's, and you know. But anyway, yeah, man, I think that wraps this one up. I think we did what we need to do. We put some not your average mats in the Jeep. Man, Liberty got him, bro. Check that out. I'm happy. I'm very happy. Hey, man, we don't do the normal around here, man. Not at all. You know why? Y'all know why, man. Because we were designed from greatness, man, from greatness. Yes, because we were designed from greatness. You have the right, the authority, the duty, the responsibility to not be average, guys. So don't be average.